Don't want a dull journal? I got you. Let's decorate our journal together. 1. Kilonotes offers many stickers for you to download and use freely. Simply choose the style that complements your journal. You can rearrange the order to pin the image to bottom and make your text visible. 2. Want to turn your personal photos into stickers? Just crop them. Choose your preferred shape and color. No need to keep your photos hidden. Let them shine in your journal. 3. Do you have a stockpile of stickers? You can modify them effortlessly. For standard images, you can make the background transparent and encircle the sticker. 4. Irregularly shaped stickers? Try using our smart cutout tools, which can automatically remove the background from the image. 5. If you've upgraded to iOS 17, you can't miss this clever method. Simply download PNG stickers and long press them. It's speedier than any other tool. So why not kickstart your digital journaling adventure this new year? Follow me.